Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and change this cabin air filter on this 2012 Toyota Highlander. This should work from the 08 to 2013. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, what we do, we're going to go ahead and empty up this glove compartment. And you see here some plastic pieces. You actually just press the plastic piece to the side, but you do it together. There's one on each side, so you push to the side and then you push this plastic piece out and you do it together and it drops. As I push those plastic pieces to the side, it goes ahead and drops, see? And that's how you remove the glove compartment. Then you have this little compartment here. You just raise that up, then you have access to the cabin air filter. And you just push these two pieces on the side and it comes out. So as I push those little pieces to the side, it's a little cap, and then I remove that cap, and then the air filter, or the cabin air filter, is right there. So all you do is pull it out. See, this is what you're breathing in right there. This is our new Bosch premium cabin air filter. If you see the Bosch sign right there, that you see the airflow says go down, so that's how we're gonna put it. So we just go ahead and scoot that in, and that's how you replace your cabin air filter. Very easy. And just put in the cap, put the glove compartment back, and you're all set. You guys have a great day, guys.